Hey guys, what is up?
I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, in the bone world, we have so much that is happening. So we are dipping big time, okay? We're seeing one of the biggest dips in the past few weeks. It's been absolutely mental. Today is proving to be one of these like golden days where people are really starting to take action. We're going to see a lot of trading volume because there's an opportunity out there. This isn't like any other day. This is a big, interesting one where people are really starting to think, are they going to be loading up their bags or just sticking to their plans? Now, someone actually left a very big observation about the dip, and I would really want to read it out and see what is going on. What are people thinking? So ETH and Bitcoin are down only a fraction of a percent, while Bone continues a sharp downward trend over the last few days. This speaks to a few factors, including whales and big fish taking profit, new exchange listings being few and far between, and an overvaluation for this coin its current value level of utility. After seeing the failed 3 bump jump over the last few weeks and considering the above factors, I cooked up a little food for thought. Those whales and big fish taking profit are good for stabilizing the price of any coin in the long term. These dips can also be caused by a domino sell-off effect where anyone with significant profits remaining takes them before we see a bottom. Price at the moment seems to be consolidating in the high 1.30 range, but I expect it to slip a little further unless we see a full market uptrend, new exchange listing, or big announcement in the next weeks. I hope to be wrong and we wake up to $2 on Monday. Everyone buying small amounts is helpful in stabilizing price and preventing a lunar crash, but without the holder, growth price will remain relatively stagnant. We all know Bone minting is complete and the Shib devs are working on Shibarium, which intends on using Bone for gas. That utility will add value and allow scalable projects using the L2 to utilize ecosystem tokens at a cheaper rate. We all know that Gate.io, Binance and a few other large central exchanges are eyeing Bone and taking their sweet time, but more listings seem imminent. With the price dropping, we may see more large buy-ins and that signal more listings, but time will tell. I believe this retracement won't fall past $1 in the worst case scenario, and Bone will more than likely bounce off the low 1.30 high 1.20 range before seeing a small climb of new support making its way up to a new resistance line and finding stability until we see which way the market takes it. Then I could be entirely wrong. That's the fun of crypto. At the end of the day, it's a good time to buy and stock up for the cold winter of the bear market and global economic downturn that seems to be headed our way. If we see Bitcoin tank close to 10,000, some believe it will take the inevitable dip and Bone to take some more and lock it away for a brighter day. So very, very on point, very interesting stuff noted here. Let's see if there are any comments. I mean, there's only 100% agreed. Damn, shaking those paper hands. Bone low of 1.21. Why don't I have more money to buy Bone? Well, as you guys can see, so this is really about this main post. In my opinion, this person does have a point. At the moment, Bone has no major utility until Shibarium comes out, which is going to be a complete game changer for Bone. We know exactly what it's going to do, how it's going to react. There's going to be a massive explosion in price for sure. But at the moment, there could be these, waves where whales actually could be causing them. Apart from the other developments in the world, whales have quite a strong, power because remember the market cap isn't that big, so they could move the markets easily. I don't think it's just that bad because a dip always presents opportunities. It's the shopping season. It's for us to correct our mistakes and to make some good money. And a lot of people are going to be buying in. Probably in the next few days, we're going to see it tank up all the way back up to its highs, because a lot of people are going to be buying in. They're going to see, if they see 1.3, they'll buy it. If they see 1.5, anything below 2, and a lot of people are going to definitely be going in as quickly as they can, because anything below 2 will be seen as a bargain at these current levels. I mean, in the future, who knows, maybe a $10 a bone will be seen as a bargain, but at the moment, anything below 2 is already seen very well. As the person mentioned, I'm not sure myself if it's going to go below $1, but who knows, everything is possible. But I think it's just going to float around these 1.3, 1.2, maybe go down to 1.1 or even $1 itself, okay? And loads of people are going to be loading up, especially on a Sunday when I'm releasing this video, and this is all happening, where a lot of people are not working, sitting at their computers, checking, up on their investments, their portfolios, going over it, creating their plans. So a lot of people are definitely gonna take the chance to load up for sure. So at the moment, I think we have this opportunity presented. For those of you that have money and those of you who have the will, then you are probably going to be going in and buying up. For the other ones, well, stick to your plans. If you are already happy with what you have with your bags, perfect. But a lot of factors are probably going to be causing these waves, and you could be seeing them in the future easy, okay? So maybe, I'm saying, okay, this is the opportunity, but who knows? These cryptos are so volatile that it could happen once again. But every opportunity should be seen also as your last opportunity, your last chance. Don't look at it as, oh, okay, so I'll just wait because I listened to this podcast, this YouTuber, or this article. I read an article, so I should wait because more is to come. No one really knows. No one can predict. We don't have that future-telling magical globe. No one is sitting there and that can tell you the exact figures, numbers. But what we tell you is more or less a general idea of what could be happening. So it's all nearing for that Shibarium release. At the moment, the market, obviously we're going through a bear market, so these opportunities don't present that often, knowing how high Bone is going to go up, because a lot of other cryptos, if they go down, I think they never even go up again, because they're so dead. There's just so little life in them. Developers don't really care about them, but this one, developers are really working on some life-changing utilities that are going to bring real benefit. So take that into account. Regarding the fact that it's overvalued, this coin, well, I don't know. Honestly, I just think people at the moment, they realize what is coming, what is promised, so it's normal. It's gonna start pumping eventually. It's not like one day, it's floating around nothing, a few cents, and then one day all the developments come out and then it boosts. It just doesn't work like that. Usually developments are kind of announced, we know what's happening, so slowly the price starts peaking, rising. So that's how it usually works. I'm not saying 100% all the time, but it's a common trend with a lot of cryptos, a lot of stocks. Guys, as I've always said, be patient, be motivated, have your heads held high, because you are all doing a great job. The fact that you're even watching this video, the fact that you're a bone holder, you know where the money is laying, you know where the opportunities are. So you're all doing a great job, and I'm so proud of each one of you, because you have spotted an amazing opportunity. There aren't that many holders out there, bone holders. We're a few thousand, well, 60k or holders. So it's not that many in comparison to, for example, Shiba Inu, which have like 1.2 million. So we are the early birds that will be talked about in the future, that articles will be written about, where people are like, damn, should have bought it, under $1, under $2. These were the golden days. So here it is, beautiful opportunities. And as usual, for you guys not to miss out on any information in the future, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share this video, be part of the community. Really, don't sleep on these videos, because there's a lot of information, a lot of motivation coming out in general. And I'm trying to produce as many videos as I can, keep them nice, brief, short, you know, summarize everything for you guys to really, you know, take it in and take your own action, okay? Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for informational purposes, for motivational purposes also. And if you have any thoughts regarding this dip, okay, or any other future dips or any past dips, please leave it down below in the comment section. Let's engage, let's talk. What are you guys doing? How are you feeling about this, okay? So thank you so much as usual, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.